On my worksheet, I've got some simple data about sales in Europe. I've been tasked with creating an interesting report for my team, and I need to do a little research to find out more about each country. But that could really take some time, so what I'm going to do instead is select the countries. Then from the Data tab on the ribbon, within the Data Types group, I'm going to choose Geography. You'll notice a symbol against each of the countries, indicating the data has been converted to the geography type, and there's an Insert Data button at the top of the list. Here you'll find all sorts of interesting information, which you can simply select to add to your worksheet. First of all, I'm going to add an image, and a flag has been added against each country. However, it might look better if I make the column a little smaller. Let's add the population. I should make that column a little wider. Perhaps the largest city? Oh, and how about adding current leaders? All I need to do now is give my data suitable headings, fix the column widths, and it all looks rather good. One more tweak, I'll put the flags in front of each country. I'll cut column C using Ctrl X and insert it in front of column A using Ctrl Shift plus. Now my data is way more interesting, and it only took me a couple of minutes. How cool is that?